What's up, you guys? This is David over here at D's Garage in the city of Corona. I'm going to be showing you guys this 2020 Ram 1500. We just completed doing the full sound system on it. I'm just going to go over what we did on the truck and what we installed and all that good stuff. Alright, so let's get a little bit closer here. We hooked everything up to the original radio, flush mounted everything and all that good stuff. So check it out. Alright, so we replaced all the speakers here, 6x9s, along with the dash speakers. Using the original radio, we mounted our bass knob right in here, nice and custom. We did the same to the rears. We did the same setup speakers, component 6x9s. We flush mounted our tweeters. And then he's got a custom box for a 112 ported. All my amps are wired up in the back. Nice and clean. We did not drill no holes through your bed here. We made a nice little board for everything to be nice and clean. Okay. This is all the parts we use for this sound system here. All alpine bass knob. The only thing that is not alpine is the audio control LC6. And then we did the 5-channel amplifier, Alpine Type S. Really good amp, guys. The sound system that we did on it, I don't even have these amplifiers halfway. That's how strong it is. On the subwoofer channel, we do have it turned up all the way because you have the bass knob to adjust it to however you will like. These are the component setups we did. Really nice set there, along with the 12. And then these are all the original speakers we took out of there. All right, now let's go ahead and put it to the test. I'll let you guys hear it. You guys know we got that old school on all the time, so let's start the party here. We're barely breaking it in. Probably in 2 weeks, we'll go ahead and maybe, if the customer likes, we can make some more adjustments. But I think right now, it sounds really good. Here we go. This thing sounds nice and clear, and loud. Sounds pretty cool for a 12. This is just a small little sound system. It's nothing big. It's just a small little system, guys. The customer was not looking for the whole neighborhood to hear him. He wants a nice, loud, clean cab music. That's what I call it, cab music. You know, when you're in the car and you want to jam out, this is all this is for. We're not getting no engine noise, none of that. Complete silence. I mean, I can't hear no more. My ears are ringing right now. But let's just turn it up a little bit in here. Alrighty, there it is, guys. So sounds really good. I mean, I've been doing audio for quite some time, and I kid you not, this right here is another one of the good setups that I have done. Once again, it is David over here at D's Garage. If you guys need any kind of window tinting, car wraps, auto glass, audio systems, accessories, we're good at what we do. It's by appointment only. So if you want some good quality work, let us know. We can help you guys out. We also put Dynamat and all that good stuff on the door. So let's go.